Hi, I'm Brian Burke, Woody's DIY and gardening expert. A wildflower patch is a win-win for a garden. It's going to provide that head-turning explosion of colour while also providing a boost for wildlife and biodiversity. The perennial variety of wildflowers is a longer-term project and is suitable for a larger area, while the annual variety is perfect for the smaller garden. Here's what you'll need. If you're using straight wildflower seed, the rule of thumb is 2 to 3 grams per square metre. If you're using a blend of wildflower mixed with grass seed, the rule is 4 to 5 grams per square metre. So that's our annual wildflower patch sown. We've broken up our clumps of soil, we've worked it down to a fine consistency, a fine tilt. We've sown our seeds. You may have noticed that we didn't add any enrichment or fertiliser to the soil. Overly rich soil will promote vigorousness in grasses, which will outcompete your wildflowers, and you don't want that. Job done. I can't wait to see what it's going to look like in about 6 weeks.